On your smartphone, open the Instagram app, tap this plus icon, select story, tap on this upload icon, or you can capture instant photo or video. I'm enabling select multiple option, and I'm selecting these 3 photos to make a story. So as you can see, I've selected 3 photos, tapping on next. In here I'm selecting separate, and this is my first story photo, this is my second story, and this is my third story. So I'm selecting the first story and tapping on this music icon and selecting this music, for example, tapping on done, tapping on done. And now selecting the second story, tapping on music and selecting the same music. You can find out the same music is in the search music box as well. And tapping on my last story, tapping on music, and the same way selecting the same music, tapping on done, tapping on done, tapping on next, and posting the story. Let's open our story. So this is my first story using music. This is my second story with the same music. This is the third story with the same music. So that's how you can actually do it.